So now let's take a look at our pound for the day. We'll be analyzing every pairs relating to our pound. Please, before we get started, I want you to like, subscribe, and share. Please subscribe if you have not. So now, as we can see on our pound index, we can see that we are on a bearish move now, and actually we are climbing up. As you see, we are planning to hit this area here. This our resistance area here, our trend line resistance area. We saw a push up. You can saw a retracement here on an uptrend, and now we are actually going up like this. We are trying to hit this our resistance level. So yesterday we had this move, and yes, today our price has opened. We are actually still going this bullish. Even till tomorrow, we will still be going bullish, by the way. So we still going bullish, and when we are good to go bullish on our index, any pair related to our index should actually plan to drop, by the way. So I'm planning to go bullish, by the way, to at least try and take out this. That should be giving me about 55 pips or more to grab, about 55 pips plus to grab on my pound index. Now that is on our pound index. Now let's analyze it on our currency pairs. As you can see, our euro to pound now, I'll be analyzing it as our support and our resistance level here, and we can see we are on an uptrend level. I am waiting for my price to break above it, at least to hit push up a little bit, to push up a little bit and actually see a fall. The reason is that this place serves as our resistance area. This place serves trying to give us a resistance area, and one thing is that our pound is actually going bullish, so we should actually be waiting for a fall, to actually try to see a fall very soon. As we have opened bullish today, probably by tomorrow we should actually see a fall. Either I believe that we'll still our euro to our pound will actually see this push down, giving us a long wick. As we can see, a long wick here, so we should be able to see it clearly on our 4-hour time frame. We should actually start seeing a drop. As we can see a drop here, we should actually start seeing a drop very soon. Our price will at least drop for the day to this area here. That's exactly what I mean. And if it does not, then it should drop here. By the way, we can see that our price is actually ranging around this area here, failing to break out. So that's exactly what I'm saying. Until our pound starts dropping, that's when our euro can now break above it and push up to hit this our resistance area here. So now on our pound odd, by the way, we are going bullish on our pound index. Definitely on our pound odd, we should actually see that bullish move, as we are aiming to go at least 50 plus bullish movements to grab 50 bullish pips, at least 50 pips to grab on our pound index. We should be able to sit here, we should be able to grab that at least 50. If you have to take our buy position to here, that should be at least 89 pips. If you have to take our position, we are currently at 1.77. If you have to take our profit at 1.78, that should be giving us 80 plus pips to grab, which is actually good. Why? Because we can see here as a major resistance level, we are still going to be seeing a bullish move on our pound odd. There's still going to be a bullish move on our pound odd, so expect to grab more profits. By the way, still bullish move. We are still going to be going bullish on our pound. Now on our 4-hour time frame, as you can see, we are still on an uptrend move. You can see it, market. This was our previous high. Our price has broken above it, and if in case we have to see a pullback, definitely will hit this place as a pullback and continue going bullish, but I don't think it will be happening now. So we are still going bullish on our pound odd, by the way. Now on our pound New Zealand, see the same as we've highlighted, we still want to be going bullish. I'll see the same our pound go bullish to take out this our highs here, this our liquidity highs here. So that should be giving me about 100 plus pips to grab. If our pound can actually go to take out this our liquidity highs, that is about 100 pips to grab, which is a lot of pips to grab, by the way, on our against our pound New Zealand. That is bullish move. We are aiming to go bullish on our pound New Zealand. Now on our 4-hour time frame, as you can see, we have actually break above. I think we'll be having a pullback soon, or actually let's see if on our 1-hour time frame if you have gotten that pullback. As you can see, we've gotten this pullback, by the way, so we are going bullish. Unfortunately enough, our highs, these our recent highs have broken our previous highs, so at least still legitimate uptrend move, by the way. So we are still going bullish on our pound New Zealand. Now on our pound card, one thing is this, our pound against our card is actually falling, by the way. So I think it's time, let's highlight it as one key level here. As you can see here, giving us as a support area, giving here as a support area. We saw this pullback here, so I think probably possibly we might be having a bullish move. Let's see if it will play out, by the way. As for me personally, I will advise let's stay out of this pound card trade, by the way, and there's every possibility we can continue going bearish, and we can see that reversal push up thereby giving us a double top. But let's see how our price will react. There's every legitimate way that our price can even come down here to this area here, as it is a legitimate key level for our price to reverse. So advice is to stay out of this our pound card. And lastly, our pound Swiss franc. Now that our Swiss franc is actually going bullish, our pound to our Swiss franc is actually falling, by the way. So I'm still going to be seeing a fall, because one thing is that our Swiss franc is actually going bullish. As if you are to compare to our JPY, if you are to compare to our USD, you see our USD to our Swiss franc is falling. You see our Swiss franc to our JPY is actually going bullish, and now you can see our pound to our Swiss francs actually falling. So I think our Swiss franc is actually going strong up, is actually going bullish very strongly. So our advice, let us still take short spot. We have to still to shortlist our Swiss and pound Swiss franc. So that is our analysis for the day. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share if you find this video helpful.